Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Seasons. Today I have a really quick video. I'm going to be putting a new light in my dining room. So we're going to be changing out this light, but first I want to show you, this is what I've been living in for a few days now. I had ordered a rug, it came, I didn't like it, had to return it, so I ordered a new rug, which is coming today. And it actually is the same rug like we have in our family room. I know I haven't shown that yet, but it should work in here. So this light is leaving. I put it on Facebook Marketplace and they're going to be picking it up tonight. Here is my new light. Now I did show this a while back when we were going to get that other house, and you know what? This still works perfect for the new house because it goes great with my furniture. Got this room all painted. I got my new curtains, just waiting for the rug and the new light. So let's get this light down. So I'm having my husband do this for me. It is so nice to be married to an electrician. I can get him to do a lot of electrical things for me. So he's going to take this down. Plus, you know, it's a little heavy, this light is, so it's better for him to handle this. Going to get this down. And then I'm going to open up the box and pull the new light out. All right, so getting it out of the box here real quick. And have to open up the other box with all the hardware in it. Always want to make sure that you have all your pieces. All right, once everything is out, my husband will be installing my new light. All right, this is how it looks. I think it looks fabulous in this room. Okay, here it is close up with the bulbs in. Are you ready? Let there be light. Ta-da! I love to use the daylight bulbs. It just makes it so much brighter. The old chandelier in here had the yellow bulbs in it, so it just wasn't bright enough. Okay, so one last look here. Got to get this floor clean because my rug is coming. This is what the rug looks like. It's got an off-white, like a creamy color, beige, and gray. Exactly what I'm doing in here. My walls are beige. I'm adding some gray touches here and there. And here's the old chandelier again. Gonna go to its new home tonight. So I got to get busy. Get my floor clean because that rug's coming. Got to get the table cleaned off. So everything is ready. Let's look at the light one more time here. I just love this light. It's perfect in here. All right, that is going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.